let me mirror you. I would love to see just to start out with your left hand doing this drill, where you're bringing it across your body, up and back to front, back to front. Beautiful, yes. Exactly right, good. And then let's do that again. We're gonna bring it across the body, up and back to front. Beautiful, excellent. Okay, now let's do it with your right hand. You're gonna bring it from its own side, up and over and back to front. Beautiful. And one more time, let it come down on the right, and then we're pulling it across the front of our body, up and back behind the head. Okay, so with both poi, we're gonna take them from the right side, pull them up, over, and back to front. Now, if it's easier, you can start with the together time pinwheel. I think this may be easier where you're going both back, both front, both back, both front as a starting point. Let's first up corkscrew and try and plane shift it up to the pinwheel and see if we can get that to work. We're doing this clockwise circle. So it's going over the top to the right, and then you're gonna bring it up and down. Okay, so clockwise, up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and then try and split the time. Split the time. And then we're gonna try and do what we did before, where we look up, look up, look up, look up, try and get it up. Strong core, tighten the movement with your hand, bring your hands above your eyes, you're going front to back, and suddenly, in theory, you're in the pinwheel. You don't have to turn when I turn, and you can face the front the whole time. I'm turning sideways because you can't see the poi if I do it in front of me. So we're starting in clockwise, and then we're in the together time corkscrew. It's going to the right at the top. You already got the split time. You're way ahead of me. Good job. Good job. Okay, now you're in this nice split time corkscrew. I want you to shift, look up, get your hands up higher and higher and higher and higher, front to back with both hands. Left one leads, right one follows. Left hand is very far in front of you. You're here, but you're trying to get it up to your pinwheel. You need to have your hand, instead of like being here, you need to have it like here, or better yet, here. Okay, your poi is spinning clockwise in front of you, and it's flat. So it's parallel to the floor. And your motion with your hand, your energy is coming in toward you. So your pinky comes toward you. You have to shift that energy from coming toward you to going out and to the left. So you have to move that so that it's more vertical. Right now, your energy is too horizontal to get it up. You need to shift the energy more sideways force. I showed it to you from here. This is flat force. And now, as I'm giving it more sideways force, and there's two pieces of the sideways force. At the bottom, you scoop this way, but at the top, you push to your right. So you scoop left, but you push right over the top. So do the right hand drills alone. Do the sweep into the pinwheel drill that we did, because that'll help you get it. And then also try the corkscrew. So between those three, you may just fall into it.